Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about numbers, colors, and even a little bit about some yummy foods using these cool number magnets. Hey, our numbers look a little funny. That's because each of them are in the shape of a food. Let's check it out and do some counting. This is the number 1. The 1 is orange and it looks like a carrot. Let's count 1 carrot. 1. Let's move on to our next number. This is the number 2. The 2 is green and it looks like a pea pod. Let's count 2 pea pods. 1, 2. Do you know what number comes after 2? Yeah, it's the number 3. This is the number 3. The 3 is yellow and it looks like a banana. Let's count 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's keep going. This is the number 4. The 4 is red and it looks like a strawberry. Let's count 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what's next? This is the number 5. The 5 is red and it looks like a chili pepper. Let's count 5 chili peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you know what number comes after 5? Yeah, it's the number 6. This is the number 6. The 6 is purple and it looks like an eggplant. Let's count 6 eggplants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's see what's next. This is the number 7. The 7 is yellow and it looks like an ear of corn. Let's count 7 ears of corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's keep it moving. This is the number 8. The 8 is green and it looks like a pear. Let's count 8 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're running out of numbers here. Let's see what's next. This is the number 9. The 9 is purple and it looks like a bunch of grapes. Let's count 9 bunches of grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you know what number comes after 9? Yeah, it's the number 10. This is the number 0, but we're looking for the number 10. Something is missing. There we go. We needed our friend number 1 to stand in front of our 0. Thanks for helping us out, Mr. Carrot. But this right here is the number 0. The 0 is red and it looks like a watermelon. Let's count 10 watermelons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we did it. We learned all of our numbers from 1 to 10. And we even got to count some yummy foods. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. I'll see you again next time. Bye!